This video will explain how to activate the new Hikvision device and enable Hik-Connect in 2020. First step, turn on the DVR. The system is starting. To use English, click Exit. Click Yes for the recommended resolution. Create new password. Confirm new password. Checklist or unchecklist the optional for password recovery. Create channel default password. Then click OK. The device is activated. Properly keep your password. Click OK. Input your email for password recovery options. Then, click OK. Setting succeeded. Click OK. Draw the unlock pattern. Draw the unlock pattern again. Set date and time. Then, click Next. Set the network. Then, click Next. Click Init for initialization, or click Next for skip the initialization. Click Next. Enable Hik-Connect service. Create verification code. Checklist Hik-Connect service statement. Then, click Next. Then, click Finish. Activate Hikvision DVR, and enable Hik-Connect has been successfully done. Okay, I think is enough. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.